People, I was thinking about this mindfulness quilt I'm making, and I promise I will make better pictures and video once it's hanging in the exhibition. Now I'm just chilling on it to tune into the story the quilt wants to tell, and I think it remembers old days of picnicking in the grass with this part of the quilt. But I was also thinking, this quilt, according to the notes I made for the exhibition, is about merging tradition and modernity, and offering ideas for transformation, because to me quilting is a way to guide in that sustainable world for everyone. If we take the traditional practices of connection and thrifty and reuse and storytelling with fabrics and take that into a new society. And but today I was thinking, I also added a part, it's actually here. In the beginning I tried mending this quilt to have that story for the exhibition, but it was interesting for a while, but it also somehow I got stuck on it. And today, while I was tuning into this quilt, I was thinking maybe that symbolizes current days, where we try to fix things with putting plasters on it and trying to green wash or recycle, or however term you want to use, to a sustainable future. But what if transformation is the solution? I don't necessarily mean that's what the quilt is about. Transformation with, for me, quilting, but for everybody it's something else. What do you think will be your tools to create a sustainable world in touch with nature and everything?